No, the biggest one Africa has is that our coaching, just like our education, is terrible. We haven't had the CAF developmental coaching badges in Nigeria before last year for almost 10 years. So now you want me now I'm Diko.
Yes.
I've hustled my way through the grassroots, or I've hustled my way through NNL and MPFL. Maybe I am 35 or my passport says I'm 25, right? And I'm playing in Europe and I've seen the best of coaching. Then you want me to come listen to a Julius who has no experience, who cannot speak properly, who cannot communicate or respect people, right? And who is not a leader, and you think that I will be happy to play for him? There's a standard that you have to maintain to say, oh, let's not taint the image of, is it possible that because this man is a billionaire, is an oga,
With the last
his team, he's getting favorable treatment?